Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I have a haul video for you today. I feel like I haven't done a haul in a really long time. I've sort of been putting things off to the side until I felt like I had enough to kind of put a video together. So today I'm going to share some stuff from Simon Says Stamp, some local scrapbook stores, not too shabby, and some purchases I made at the Crop and Create event, which was amazing if you followed me on Instagram this past little while. And so let's dive into the Simon Says Stamp. So I can thank my friend Mary Polanco for making me want to try the Versafine Clair Nocturne ink. She raves about this ink and I just had to get it so I could try it out for myself. My Versafine ink that I've had since I started stamping. And so I'm interested to try their new formula. I also picked up the Ink on 3, the Fade Out No Line Coloring Detail ink. This is a hybrid ink and it is waterproof. So shout out to another crafty YouTuber friend, Courtney Kreber, who raves very highly about the Ink on 3 brand. So I wanted to give those a try. I also thought I'd go ahead and purchase one of Simon Says Stamp, their blocks, acrylic blocks. And so I wanted to see if there was a difference in a brand name, higher quality acrylic block. So I'm going to give that a try. On my list of things to purchase were some new dies so I could shake things up a little bit on my cards. So I purchased the new release Art Impressions. This is the banner double stitched dies. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dies in this set. I will link all of the products down below in case you're interested in checking them out in more detail. So I think that will add some fun detail to my cards. I also picked up the Infinity dies. These are the nested frame cuts rounded rectangles. There's 16 dies in this set. I thought these would be great not only for background panels, but also maybe to make some frames on my cards. The other thing I wanted to get was some new stencils. So from the new release from Heffy Doodle, I picked up the Zap Attack stencil and the Cityscape stencil. And Leslie did a live video on my channel showing these stencils at Creativation. They're very unique, and so I'm excited to play with those. I got those to play with the Heffy Doodle Super Dude stamp set. I did already make one card using the stamp set, but I was waiting for the stencils to create some more cards with that, so stay tuned for that. I also thought that this Wavy grid stencil from Altenew would be kind of fun. A little bit different, which I like, and I thought this might work for masculine cards as well, so we'll see what I can come up with for that. And then I purchased the large stamp that came in the March Simon Says Stamp kit. This one is called Amazing. And I loved the sentiment in this. You are amazing, you're fantastic, amazing, and incredible. Have I told you lately that you're amazing? So very proud of you, and you're doing a fantastic job are just some of my favorite sentiments. So I will have a card video out using this stamp soon. And from high recommendation from Courtney, I picked up the Simon Says Stamp masking paper. I've never actually used a proper masking paper, so I'm really excited to try that out. I typically just use full adhesive Post-it note sheets, but like I said, I'm really excited to use an actual masking paper so I can compare the difference and see if there is one. Okay, so moving on. The must-have purchase from Creativation for me was the Catherine Pooler mini inks. And so I've picked up the Carnivale collection, the Life of the Party collection, and I also picked up the Midnight and the Icing on the Cake. I will leave links below to Catherine Pooler where you can order them directly, and for my fellow Canadians, I also have my local scrapbook store or crafty store, which is Maple Syrup Designs, but she does ship, she might even ship internationally, but it is an online store. And these inks are amazing. I've done a couple cards now you may have seen with these inks, and I can't wait to continue to play with them. Next up, I just have a small little haul from Not Too Shabby. So I picked up the Neat and Tangled Jump for Joy stamp set along with my design team package for the month of March. I thought this was so adorable. I'm really into unique stamps at the moment, and I've never quite seen anything like this stamp, so I had to grab it. I love the sentiment, I flipping adore you. Let's skip to the part where I say I love you and you make my heart jump, and these cute little animals skipping rope or on a trampoline. Jamie also sent me a My Favorite Things full ink pad. This is a hybrid ink, and this color is Tickled Pink. She does have these on sale right now in the shop. If you're interested in trying out these inks, they're a great price, and you can use my coupon code JEN10, that's Jen with 2 N's, to save 10% off your total purchase. And finally, I wanted to share some things that I either picked up and bought myself at Crop and Create, or we received as free gifts. So, first of all, I purchased the new Doodle stamp set. This is Pill Better. Absolutely adorable. I first saw these at Creativation, and they were on my must-have list as well. So stay tuned for a video using this stamp set. You can see this one here, the Hoppy Easter, I've already been into, and you would have seen that if you were following me on Instagram. All my social media links will be below in case you're interested. So I did color these up while I was at Crop and Create, and I'm hoping to do a 10 card video with this stamp set and the corresponding 6x6 paper pad. We'll see if I can get 10 cards with this set. The paper is absolutely adorable. It's bright and cheerful and not cooperating. To do a quick flip through. So not just for Easter, but fun kind of spring colors with the flowers and the plaid, the blue, the eggs, and then it just repeats. So cute. I also picked up the Echo Park Easter Wishes. This is 24 double-sided sheets with some fun, pretty bright papers. Again, the majority of these are not Easter related, although some of them are. So you can get lots of use out of this paper pad. I love this one with the chocolate bunny. Throughout the spring. I love when they include plaids and stripes. So you can have some versatility in your paper pads. We also received some free goodies from Lawn Fawn at Creativation. So I got the white embossing powder. So excited to try that out. And then the Lawn Fundamentals embossing ink pen, which I have, and it works really great. I took a class with Jen Shirkus, and we did a whole bunch of Lawn Fawn cards, and I fell in love with the chunky glitter. So get ready to see lots of glitter on my cards. And of course, this is the Canadian price, $6.95, but you can pick it up for cheaper in the States. Received this free little stamp set from scrapbook.com, You and Me Quotes and Sayings #2. And it just says, hello darling, a friendly hello, friends are the family you choose, and I'm so happy we are friends. Cute little stamp set. Pink and Maine also gifted us with this Too Cool stamp set, which is really adorable. And the sentiments are great, so I think this is a really versatile stamp set for males or females, and the coordinating dies. So that's it for my haul. Stay tuned for some card videos using these products. Thank you all for joining me. I really do appreciate all your comments and kind words. They really do mean a lot. So I will see you all soon in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.